So I made this program in order to be able to draw a mask over image. That is, being able to draw over an area to indicate that a certain object is there. For instance, if I wanted to draw a mask over this shark, I'll go loaded the image. And with this program, I'm able to draw over the image, because the rest of the image is in black and white, so I could mark the parts that I want to apply the mask in. And with this, I can increase the size of the cursor in order to hit a larger area, or decrease it in order to be more precise with how I'm marking the image. And by doing this, I create a mask to be able to use it later. So we still have some sparks here. The other thing I've added with this is with the right button, I'm able to sort of remove what I marked in order to make certain adjustments. See the tail here. I can add or remove. Basically, I'm doing this so I could use it as a tool for running RCNNs, regional CNNs. I'm really not finding any good software that does it, so I decided to program my own. And after you've drawn it to how good you can do it, you save it as an MPZ file, where both the original image and the mask are saved. So basically, you have the mask here and the image here.